Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to Google Contacts. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Google Contacts you can create new contacts, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key in order to get it. We return to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API tab. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Google Contacts as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Create contact. At this stage you need to connect your Google Contacts account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your personal Google account. At this stage, it is necessary to check all the checkboxes for access. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this point, you see the Google Contacts fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Contacts as new contacts for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Contacts. After successful sending, go to Google Contacts and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup for receiving Google Contacts data successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.